Alright, come closer. Let's create this amazing masterpiece designs in Photoshop. Alright? Let me show you how to create these trending designs, and at the end of the day, it's going to look like this on a t-shirt, like this, and also like this. Okay, so let me show you how to create these trending designs in Photoshop. So Ctrl+N to create a new document. Let's select A4. You can also change it to A3, whatever that you want. Okay, then I'll bring in my image. I have already removed the background. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to crop it to a portion like this, and then I'll click on Ctrl+J to make a duplicate. Let's hide the first one, and then I'm going to resize this, okay, to cover the whole canvas. So I'm trying to scale this one to fill the whole canvas just like this. Let me reduce it a bit small and position it somewhere here. All right, when you are satisfied with everything, then we can move forward. So the next thing that we are going to do, let's first of all make a duplicate of this. So from here, with the help of the text tool, okay, I'm going to type my text over here. With the text type, I'm going to select a bigger font. Okay, so let's choose something like this or that. You bear with me that this is longer, so what we are going to do is that we are going to bring some part of the name down just like this. Okay, and then let's reduce the size of this one because this is not what we are throwing more light on. So I'll reduce that, and then we are going to fill the rest. Okay, so scale it up to fill the canvas. Once you are satisfied with the final result, we are going to take the marquee tool and then select the image. So we are going to make a portion selection over here. So let me move this one a bit here. Okay, and we are going to create a layer mask. So hold down the Alt key on your keyboard and you click on the mask layer over here. Okay, so it's going to create effect like this. Okay, then let's duplicate the layer. Ctrl+J to duplicate the layer. With the new layer we just duplicated, we are going to invert this one. So Ctrl+I to invert it. Okay, let me hide the first one. Okay, so this is how it's going to look like, and I'm going to move that on top of the text. Then right click and then you click on create clipping mask. So it's going to create a clipping mask like this. Let me bring the first one, and this is how it's going to look like. Then you can change the color of the text. Okay, so let's say we want it to be like blue like this, and let's make it a little bit deeper just like this. You click on OK, then you can bring in your background. So let's say we want a black background, and also we want the text to pop up a bit, so we can select the text layer, go to effects, and then we can add a stroke. So click on stroke, and we can add a white stroke onto it. So we have a white stroke selected, so we can just add a stroke to it just like this. Click on OK. If you also don't like the stroke, you can just hide it. Okay, so any of them that you like. Then the next one is going to be adding maybe other details. So other details like other name and also the age. All right, then from here I can select all of them, then reduce the size of this, and I'm going to write on the top forever in our hearts. So with the text tool selected, we can just type that. All right, so this is the text that we are going to write, and I'm going to change the font. Okay, so I have this font here that I would like to use, and this is it, Endori, and this is it called Endori. So I'll select that, and also I'm going to create that curve effect. Okay, so to create that curve effect, you can go to type, and then you see warp text. So I'll select that, and then you get the screen. You open that and you select the arc, and you can bend down a little bit, okay, to suit what you are trying to do. and then from here you can position it over here. You can also add stroke onto it if you like to do so. So you can just add white stroke onto it if you would like to do so. So at the end of the day, this is how you can create this in Photoshop. Okay, so this is the first one I created, and this is how the printout turned out to be like. Get this template from our digital store. Okay, search for all template paste tag. Okay, so with this, click on this one. Okay, so you click on all template paste tag. Then you click on the first link that is going to open for you. So this PSD file, okay, this PSD file is going to be here, and you can purchase it alongside with other creative designs like 1 week funeral book, send off a book, okay, brochures, citation designs, flyers, and a lot more that you can get from our store to support us in one way or the other. Until next time, keep creating and never give up.